Again, it's going to be the top 3 in each of this semi-final heat, plus the next 2 best times to move into the final.
Big favorite, of course, Mark Daniel Allen of Wilmers.
Running out of lane 3, Devondre Matthews from Calabar.
He has run 13.17, has Matthews.
In lane 4, Tafari Levy from Jamaica College.
13.91 his seeded time.
Lane 5 from Wilmers, Mark Daniel Allen.
Mentioned earlier that he won at Champs this year for the 110 in Class 2.
In lane number 6, Zahir Narising from Campion College.
14.55 his best this season.
And lane number 7, Neandre Cooper from Camperdown High.
Sprint Factory, 14.72 his best.
I think Matthews' time of 13.17 must be his 100-meter hurdles time. Because he certainly 13.17 would be spectacular. Oh no, so Matthews 13.17 and Mark Daniel Allen at 13.25. So those are the 2 seeded athletes in this race.
Mark Daniel Allen, the Carifta Under 17 champion, clocked that 13.25 to win there. Set position, off they go now. Very good start by Calabar's Devondre Matthews. Mark Daniel Allen steps forward now, also in contention from JC Tafari Levy. It's Matthews and Levy. And Allen was left behind. Levy from Matthews in the final analysis. 13.57 the flash time.
And that's why we run the races yet again. 13.57 Tafari Levy of Jamaica College. It's Matthews from Calabar in lane 3 who gets the best start. And Levy starts to step forward here. At this point, the champion Allen way back in 3rd. And it's Matthews and Levy. And Jamaica College is Levy gets the win. All 3 athletes there hurdling. And Levy surging forward, getting that victory. The official time 13.62 seconds and Matthews 13.69 seconds in second and Allen 14.01 seconds gets 3rd.
Top 3 to the final, Spencer?
Yes, Bruce. And the next 2 best times. So Tafari Levy 13.62, Devondre Matthews 13.69, Mark Daniel Allen 14.01. We have seen a few of the medalists from Champs coming here and they haven't looked as sharp